me. Now.
Leo, pass the ball! Yes, that's the game. Shadow Claws for the win.
No, we lost!
Captain, I'm sorry. I messed up out there.
Buster, I'm sorry.
Sorry doesn't fill our bowls.
I thought I could make it.
You thought. You didn't trust.
This isn't a show, Leo. It's about all of us. You let us all down.
He was right. It wasn't just a game. It was everything. And I lost it.
This is our alley now, pretty boy. Enjoy the leftovers.
This isn't over, Scar.
Oh?
It can be. One more match. Winner takes all. Forever. You lose, you're gone. How do I make this right? You're on. Same moment. The same choice. But I wasn't the same cat. Yes, we did it! That's the game! Buster! Buster! Hey, Buster, talk to me!
That was a team goal. We won, Captain. We won.
Alley Paws forever! We are the champions!